Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I want to show you how you can quick and easy repair your plastic parts or broken plastic parts in your car or parts on your car. In this case I have here a backdash from a Toyota Yaris Verso. So let's start. What do we need? We need at first the broken plastic part here. We need some epoxy adhesive, then we need a piece of paper or something like this to mix our glue here. Then we need a rack. Also we need a normal brake cleaner to clean the surfaces. And as you can see, first what I've done is to clean these areas with sandpaper, or to prepare these areas with sandpaper so that the contact for the glue will be better. And next step will be we will take this brake cleaner and clean the surface here and the surface of the broken plastic part, and then I will mix the glue, the epoxy adhesive on the piece of paper here, and then I will glue it. Okay, let's start. This is how it looks like now, and now we want to put the part on the rear dash and push it a little bit down, not too strong, so the glue can work. To put some weight on the glued area of the plastic part here, I used a heavy jar with cherry juice. So now I have to wait until the glue is dried out. That's it. The plastic part is done. It's fixed. As you can see, I can lift it up and it's pretty good holding. So now I can put this back in once and twice. And that's it. If you liked the video, thumbs up. You are welcome to subscribe my channel, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye.